Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create time entries in bulk from spreadsheet files. So maybe you're the person who has to put in all the time entries for your whole team or everyone working on the project, and you just want to manage that in one spreadsheet and just do a quick import across one or many projects. Or maybe you want to make it so that every one of the people working on the project can just upload their time entries from one spreadsheet or many spreadsheets. So here we are in Xero. We're in one project. Make sure on every project that you want to create time entries for, you have the tasks already made, the project's made, obviously. Tasks are made, and you've assigned it to the right users. And in this case, I'm going to say that I'm somebody that just works on the project, but if you wanted to have multiple projects in here, right, let's say the Nike rebrands and, at EasyCSV. You can have multiple users, you can have multiple projects, right? You don't have to have one, but I'm just someone working on this project this week, and I want to import these tasks I did for this one project. So I've got my email, I got all these columns in here. This task list, it's a drop down in Google Sheets, but it's really just text. So Google Sheets is making fancy, but you could just type text, okay? The duration can be minutes or hours, minutes. So this one's 3 hours, this one's 20 minutes, or it could just be literally a number for minutes. So that'd be 60 minutes, right? Or 1 hour, or this would be 120 minutes or 2 hours. Could be either or. So we want to either import this file just ourselves, or like I'm a manager, or just let this person working on the project import it. So we're going to go to EasyCSV. We're going to set up EasyCSV flow. So we're going to say we're going to upload files from our computer. You're going to get an email where you can send emails with the attachment to it. So if you have a team that doesn't work at your company, you say, hey, email your timesheet every week to this email, and it'll make time entries in Xero for you. Or we can look on Google Drive and slurp up new files. You could tell them, hey, put your timesheet on Google Drive every Friday, and EasyCSV will just pull any new files it finds and put them in Xero. So let's go here. Because it's already a Google Sheet, I'm just going to search for that, but you could just drag a CSV or XLSX file. Cool. Then it starts setting up a flow. It says, here's all the columns in the file. You can uncheck any you don't need, but usually I just leave them checked. Then we're going to say we're going to go to Xero. We're going to do time entries. Click finish. Now the last step here, if you haven't connected Xero and EasyCSV, you'll also need to do that. I'll tell you that in a second. But then on the left are the Xero fields for time entries. On the right are your spreadsheet columns. Okay. If you don't have the project in your spreadsheet and you just want this flow for one project, you can set that up as a virtual field in EasyCSV, a hard-coded value for this flow. Look at our docs for that, or just email our support team or chat, and we can help you set that up. So you can either map user email or full name, and we'll do a lookup for that person on the project. Date should be in year, month, day, but we can just auto-detect as well. Project name, task description. If something is the same task with the same description and they import that for the same date, we'll do an update instead of a create. Duration can be minutes or hour minutes format. Okay, so then you save. I've already connected Xero to EasyCSV. If you hadn't, there'll be a red banner here that says do that connection. You'll click that button, you'll click OK, EasyCSV and Xero can be connected. Then you'll come back and do this next step. Okay, so I can drag this file here. This is the custom email address. Someone can email with attachments every week. You can set up that fetcher to go get files. You can share this page with your team. You don't have to add them as users to EasyCSV. However, you can also more securely add them as users to EasyCSV and then just share the URL of this page instead of through the share link. It's kind of up to you how you want to approach it. Or you just log in every week and you do the uploading. I'm going to again type in that Xero Time Entry instead of uploading a file because I already have it in Google Sheets. Do this. Import those 6 records. So it quickly goes out and gets all the projects, gets all the users for those projects, and gets the tasks. And then it looks in the file and says, hey, which projects need which tasks for which users. It then imports those. If we go over here and we refresh our project, you'll see that all those time entries were added. So if you need any help, you can always email EasyCSV support or chat us. We will always respond to everybody via chat, even if we don't right away. Let us know how we can help, and we do free setups for Xero. So if you just send us an example file, we will set it up for you. Okay, thanks.